Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix ChatGPT error 502503404 bad gateway service temporarily unavailable, page not found. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open a browser. You just need to navigate to chatgpt.com. After you are in, you just need to select this icon and select site settings. Select the delete data option and select the delete option. After deleting it, go back to ChatGPT and select this icon again and select cookies and site data. Select manage on device side data and select this trash icon and select the done option. And now just reload this site and go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these two commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. Press enter. After finishing both commands, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If you're still having the problem, then the server might be down. So you just need to wait for 1 hour or 2 hours and then the server will come back to normal. And that's it for today guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.